Hey yo, it's Chris O. So what I've done is I've levelled right around DIYs. Lean in, because this is a very important part. I have got my waste on the triangle. Sometimes I lay them square with the tile, sometimes I lay them on the triangle. That one will be the same. So you go to that corner there, so I'll be going up there like that, like that. That gives me my fall. It's a nice 200 by 200 tile that I'm laying. It's all that blue pattern these days. People love it. They love it. Right. See my fall there? Beautiful. See that? Whoop. So then we do the same everywhere else. Don't forget, when you are like where I've screeded with, where I've gone with my wooden float, with my float, it's level. So you've got to make sure you've got slope. Don't go off that, because then it's level. You've got to have fall from your wall. Hopefully that sort of explains it. I was getting a bit tongue-tied there. So just look at where your bubble is. Do the same here. Don't forget, you're falling from the wall. Oh, mate. That's beautiful. Then all you do is grab your wooden float, when you go in small circular motion with your wooden float DIY, you can't just go in there and drag it off. If you go in circular motions, you're laughing. So you go in a circular motion, or slight circle. See how I've done that? Lean in, DIYs, I will teach you. I'm not here to show off, I'm here to show you how to do things. A little bit there. I don't have to be super neat. there because I'll be putting in mud to support my waist, and then glue. Just skim that off a little bit. Some people say, oh, gee, Chriso, your mud is not as dry as I see other tilers. Nah, I don't have to have it super dry. The drier it is, the easier it is to work with when you're a DIY. But after 35 years of doing this, if I haven't learnt how to do it with softer mud or dry mud, I never will. It needs to be fairly nice because it's a small tile. I'll be using a 8mm notchie. And that water will fall absolutely lovely. Alright people, DIYers, some professionals out there that are watching, have a great day. We'll see you soon. Ciao.